Welcome to Bargarh, everyone. It's a city in the heart of Odisha, India. This is the real deal, folks. We're talking pure natural beauty, full of history and amazing traditions. Get ready to be amazed because this hidden treasure in Odisha is full of surprises. Ready? Let's go. Okay, explorers, let's get our location straight. Imagine a land fed by the big Mahanadi River flowing through Odisha. That's where Bargarh is, in western Odisha. This river is super important. It keeps the land healthy and growing. It's next to Sambalpur, Yarsuguda and Kalahandi, which all have different lands and cultures. The weather? Think hot summers and nice mild winters. Nature sets the pace of life here, and you'll want to join in. Bargarh doesn't hide from the weather. It loves it, and that's what makes it so cool. This land is full of stories from the past. Every corner of Bargarh whispers tales of ancient times where history and culture blend seamlessly. Bargarh isn't just a city, it's a living piece of India's history, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. Walking through its streets, you can almost hear the echoes of bygone eras. The history here is as interesting as it is complicated, with layers of stories waiting to be uncovered. From ancient inscriptions to archival photographs, each piece tells a part of Bargarh's rich tapestry. From the strong Marathas to the grand Gajapati kingdom, Bargarh has been a witness to many powerful dynasties. The Marathas brought their valor, while the Gajapati kingdom added grandeur and culture. Bargarh has seen a lot, and you can still feel it today. The spirit of the past is alive in the present, visible in the way locals interact with their heritage. So look around. The buildings, the festivals, even the language, it all tells stories of the past. Traditional festivals bring history to life, and the old buildings stand as silent witnesses to centuries gone by. The fight for freedom is a big part of Bargarh's story. The bravery and sacrifices of freedom fighters are etched into the very fabric of this land. This land fought for its independence and knows how important it is. The celebrations of freedom are a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. Look for old forts, stories of past battles, and the strength of people who have overcome so much. These forts and memorials are not just structures, they are symbols of courage and perseverance. Listen closely and let Bargarh's history come alive. Every stone, every street, and every story has something to tell. Embrace the past and let it guide you through the present. Bargarh isn't just about the past, it's full of traditions and celebrations. The town is a living, breathing testament to the rich cultural heritage of India. Every street, every corner, and every person here has a story to tell, a tradition to share. If you need to know one thing about the people here, it's that they love to celebrate. Festivals are not just events, they are a way of life. The energy, the enthusiasm, and the sheer joy that fills the air during these celebrations are truly infectious, and when they do, everyone notices. The streets come alive with music, dance, and colors. It's a spectacle that draws people from all over, eager to witness the magic of Bargarh's festivities. Ever heard of Bargarh Dussehra? It's one of the most awaited events of the year. The entire town transforms into a grand stage, showcasing the best of its cultural heritage. It's not a normal festival, it's a grand celebration that lasts for days, with each day bringing something new and exciting. From elaborate decorations to mesmerizing performances, there's always something to look forward to. It's a huge party with colors, music, and dancing. The streets are filled with people all coming together to celebrate with unmatched fervor and enthusiasm. It makes even the biggest carnival look small. The scale, the grandeur, and the sheer number of people involved make it an event like no other. But it's more than just a show. It's a celebration of the community, of traditions passed down through generations, and of the spirit of togetherness. It's about the people, how they come together, their happy, excited faces. The sense of belonging and the joy of being part of something bigger than oneself is palpable. That's what makes it special. It's not just the events or the decorations, but the people and their shared experiences that make Bargarh Dussehra truly unique. It's like visiting another world where old traditions are still alive, a world where every celebration is a reminder of the rich cultural tapestry that defines Bargarh. To survive in the wild, you need to be clever, use what nature gives you. And Bargarh is super clever. Remember the Mahanadi River? It's not just for water, it's the heart of Bargarh's economy. The land here is great for growing things. We're talking rice fields that go on forever, fields of lentils and vegetables, all thanks to the hard-working farmers. Weaving, handloom, handicrafts, these are all important to Bargarh's economy. It's a careful mix of old and new, and Bargarh is showing the world how it's done. And now, explorers, if you like adventures off the main road, Bargarh is for you. This place is a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those who seek the thrill of the unknown. Imagine yourself hiking through untouched trails where every turn brings a new surprise. The countryside roads here are not just paths, they are gateways to unforgettable experiences. Whether you're an avid hiker or someone who loves to explore off-road paths, Bargarh offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. This isn't a place for regular tourists, it's for people who want something real, who want to understand a place deeply. Here you can immerse yourself in the local culture, interact with the warm and welcoming locals, and gain a deeper appreciation for rural India. The cultural experiences in Bargarh are rich and varied, offering a glimpse into the traditional way of life that has been preserved for generations. It's a chance to connect with the heart and soul of the region, far away from the usual tourist traps. Bargarh is right next to Chhattisgarh, another state with lots of natural beauty and culture. The proximity to Chhattisgarh means you can easily explore the scenic border landscapes where the natural beauty of two states converges. Aerial shots of this region reveal a breathtaking panorama of lush greenery, winding rivers and majestic hills. It's a perfect destination for those who love to explore diverse terrains and experience the seamless blend of two distinct cultures. It's like two adventures in one. You get to experience the best of both worlds, from the serene landscapes of Bargarh to the vibrant culture of Chhattisgarh. Each destination offers its own unique charm, making your journey even more enriching. Whether you're exploring ancient temples, hiking through dense forests, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, every moment in Bargarh and its neighboring state is filled with wonder and excitement. Then there are the temples, old buildings that have survived for years, each one with stories of faith. These ancient structures are not just architectural marvels, they are living testaments to the region's rich history and cultural heritage. As you explore these historical temples, you'll be transported back in time, uncovering the stories and legends that have shaped the identity of Bargarh. Each temple has its own unique tale, waiting to be discovered by curious travelers. Ma Samaleswari Temple is a must-see. This significant temple is not only a place of worship, but also a symbol of the spiritual essence of Bargarh. Pilgrims from all over the region come here to seek blessings and experience the divine energy that permeates the temple grounds. The intricate carvings and serene ambience make it a perfect spot for reflection and spiritual rejuvenation. Visiting Ma Samaleswari Temple is an experience that stays with you long after you've left. But the real adventure is exploring the wild beauty around Bargarh. The lush green landscapes and dense forests offer a haven for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Whether you're trekking through the verdant hills, spotting wildlife, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the natural surroundings, Bargarh's wild beauty is sure to captivate your senses. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. We're talking green lands, hidden waterfalls, and the Mahanadi River waiting for you to relax by it. The hidden waterfalls are like nature's secret treasures, offering a refreshing escape from the heat. The serene shots of the Mahanadi River provide a perfect backdrop for relaxation and contemplation. Whether you're picnicking by the riverbank, taking a leisurely boat ride, or simply soaking in the peaceful ambience, the natural beauty of Bargarh is a balm for the soul. So put away your map, follow your gut, and who knows what you'll find. In Bargarh, the best adventures are often the ones you stumble upon by chance. Embrace the spontaneity, let your instincts guide you, and you'll discover hidden gems and unforgettable experiences that you won't find in any guidebook. Bargarh is a place where every journey is a story waiting to be told, and every traveler becomes a part of its rich tapestry. Getting to Bargarh might seem hard, but it's easier than you think. Good roads lead right into the city, so pack your bags, fill up your car, and get ready for a beautiful road trip. If you like trains, Bargarh has those too. The train station connects to big cities like Sambalpur and Bhubaneswar. The closest airport is in Jharsuguda, about 45 miles away. So choose your way, enjoy the journey, and let the roads take you to Bargarh. In the wild, talking to each other is important. In Bargarh, the language is as interesting as its culture. People mainly speak Odia, a language as old and beautiful as the land. But don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. A smile and a few simple phrases will help a lot. Bargarh has many different cultures, and you'll hear Hindi and Chhattisgarhi too. The people of Bargarh are friendly and welcoming. They'll welcome you, share their stories and traditions. You'll be surprised how much you can talk to people with a little effort and kindness. Just like in the wild, knowledge is power, and Bargarh knows this. The city has many schools and colleges, all working to teach the next generation of leaders and thinkers. It's not just about books and classrooms. Bargarh is using new ways of teaching, with technology and new ideas. They're raising kids who are not just smart, but also ready for anything. From sports to art, they're helping kids find what they love and reach their full potential. Bargarh's future depends on its young people, and from what I've seen, the future looks bright. We talked about Bargarh's farms, but this city isn't stopping there. Besides rice and lentils, Bargarh grows many other things. We're talking tasty vegetables, oilseeds, and they farm in a way that's good for the land. The city is also building factories, focusing on things that work well with farming. Think factories that make food products, creating jobs and helping the local economy. Bargarh knows that real progress means keeping old traditions while trying new things. It's a careful balance, and Bargarh is doing a great job. So there you have it, adventurers. We've explored Bargarh, learned about its history and experienced its culture. Bargarh isn't just a small town, it shows how strong traditions are, the beauty of simple things, and the amazing spirit of its people. If you want a real adventure, a trip you'll never forget, then come to Bargarh. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing trips to the heart of India.